Some people are still wondering why we hate dog culture so much. Well, it basically comes down to two things: their perverse priorities and their constant contradictions. Here are only a few examples of many.
Dog nutters when a dog, especially a pit bull, attacks a child unprovoked.
What people aren't asking is, what did the 7-year-old girl do to the pit bull? Maybe the pit bull was justified.
Dog nutters when a person justifiably shoots a loose, menacing dog.
No! God, please, no! No!
Dog nutters when a dog slaughters dozens of livestock animals for fun. Dog nutters when you ask them a good question. Dog nutters when a dog dies in a movie. Dog nutters when a person dies in real life.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Dog nutters when you look at a dog the wrong way. Dog nutters when their dog attacks you, barks all night, or pees and craps everywhere.